What's up guys, the DeFi Kingdoms ecosystem is getting bigger and bigger. This is just massive. So I'm going to talk about my strategies on how I gain passive income, daily consistent income with DeFi Kingdoms. Let's get right into it. Alright, really quickly here, I just wanted to say that we're still waiting on the X Crystal snapshot airdrop of the juicy Gen0s. We are waiting for the Gen0 Heroes, but each 10 X Crystal will earn 1 ticket for the raffle. Let's go, baby. The raffle ends on April 25th. It's coming up here pretty soon. So I wanted to give you a few tools that you can use yourself to be successful and to make managing this passive income easier. You got the DeFi Kingdoms watch. This one is beautiful. It tracks both DeFi Kingdoms, Crystalvale, and Serendale. And then you got a deck screener where you can check out all of your prices. Here we got Jewel, Crystal on here. They got the whole DeFi Kingdoms ecosystem with all its different assets. All right, let's hop over to DeFi Kingdoms. All right, we can see that the land is out. They're gonna roll back the fog more, revealing more land later on. Right now, this is the land that we got. Soon we're gonna have buildings. We're gonna be able to put buildings. We see phase 4, we're looking forward to buildings can be built within your kingdom and upgraded to increase their bonuses. Resource buildings can be built next to the resource nodes to allow your kingdom to begin accumulating the resources you need to build more buildings and craft rare equipment for your heroes. Alright, so other buildings can provide passive bonuses for your heroes. We're waiting for the building now. Everything's been on key, on schedule. The land, the jobs, the professions, the dock. Everything that this team has set out to accomplish on their roadmap with this project, they've nailed it. This is a solid project. Alright, let's hop into how I earn on this project. We're gonna come over to the gardens. And then within the gardens, we have liquidity pools. And these liquidity pools are what pay out APRs. So you can choose whichever pairing you want. Again, the whole point of this is to generate passive income, right? So you got an APR, which is the annual percentage, not compounded. But you can go in every day, claim, because the gas fees are ridiculously cheap. You can claim every day for extremely cheap, 0.011. So this was about 2 days, but you can see that, yeah, within that 2 days, I was able to get 4.8 Jewel. That comes out to be about $10 a day right now. And if we times that by 30, that's 300. Then we do the same thing in Crystalvale. So DeFi Kingdoms is built on the Harmony blockchain, and then DeFi Kingdoms made its own DeFi Kingdom chain, and it's also built in with Avalanche as well. So this is extremely important to understand that we can see the DeFi Kingdoms is running on an Avalanche subnet. So the DeFi Kingdoms chain has some serious potential. This is quality stuff right here. So Jewel is going to be the utility token for the DeFi Kingdoms chain. That is what you will be burning for gas fees. Gas fees are extremely cheap. So this farm's been going on for about 4 days now. And we got about $50 in there, almost. So we're just going to say $10 a day again. Another $10 a day, $300 a month. The locking rate on this, the reason they can pay out such high APR is because most of it's locked. Right, so if we think about it, every transaction that we do, every trade, and then eventually every hero that runs a quest is going to have to use Jewel as the gas fee, and the Jewel is actually being burned. So that is a snowball effect that eventually is going to take off. But here you can see, some of the liquidity pools that they got in DeFi Kingdoms. They're paying out ridiculous APRs. You got 1000%. The reason they can do this again is because it's locked. Half of it's locked. You got a locking period for an amount of time, which Crystal will remain locked until March 22nd of 2023. Jewel is actually going to be unlocked very soon. So following Epoch 52, they're going to start unlocking some Jewel. So you can technically consider a hero earning in this game or having land, but that's more, you know, active because you have to go on quests and maintain stuff. With the garden, honestly, you don't have to do anything. That's why it's all passive income, and I'm only focusing on the gardening right now. So I'm going to show you a really cool tool that shows me the epochs and a personal watch that keeps track of all your assets for you. You can see time until next epoch, about 5.4 days, and then this one's about 3 days. Head on over to personal watch and then you can hit your address and load it up. It's super nice, super easy to use. I think it runs really smooth. I believe a strong economy is essential for this ecosystem to work, and we do have a strong community. The Discord alone is popping off, and not everybody that uses Defi Kingdoms even uses Discord, but I recommend coming to check out their Discord. Super friendly, super helpful people. If you have any questions, you know, you can ask me. Come join our Discord, join the Juice team. We got you covered. I'll see you in the next video.